How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video I'm going to review the MacBook Pro from 2015, and you should stick till the end. There's a lot of very good reasons why this MacBook is still great in 2020, and I'll give you my honest review and why I recommend it in latest 2020. This is Stefan. Let's start with the video now. The model that I have here is the high-spec version from 2015. Let's start with the display. The display is 15.4 inch. It's a LED backlit display. It's IPS technology. The resolution is 2080 by 1800 at 220 pixels per inch. The display is very vivid, it's bright, it's a great in my opinion even after 5 years. Another reason I recommend the MacBook Pro from 2015 is the port situation. So on the left side you have MagSafe 2, 2 Thunderbolts, 1 USB 3 and a headphone jack. And the other side you have SDXC card slot, HDMI and another USB 3 ports. So the reason that I recommend this machine is due to the ports. So you have all the ports that you need. You don't need to spend additional money for accessories, especially the Apple accessories are very expensive. So this is another reason why this machine is great in 2020. Let's talk about the keyboard in the MacBook Pro in 2015, and the keyboard actually is pretty good, no complaints whatsoever. We know that the keyboard from 2016, 17 and so on had problems, many customers was complaining, and the reason for that is that the Apple switched from the switch mechanism to a butterfly keyboard, which again this is a very problem for some customers, but we don't have this problem in our version from 2015. The keyboard is very good. I didn't have any problems whatsoever. Let's talk about the specs of our machine. In my opinion, the specs are great. Even after 5 years, this computer is great for video editing, photo editing, even light gaming. So the reason for that is because we have a 2.5 GHz Intel Core i7 4th generation, 16 GB of RAM. Also for the GPU we have Intel Iris Pro with Radeon R9 M370X with 2 GB of GDDR5. And as you can see, this machine is great even after 5 years, so the specs are very good. Like I said, I use it for video editing and I didn't have any problems for the past 13-14 months. So I edit all my videos on this machine and it's very good for video editing, for photo editing, even for 4K videos. So the reason for that is we still have very good specs even after 5 years. Let's talk about what's the conclusion for today's video. Should you purchase a MacBook Pro from 2015? And it's very simple. Definitely yes. This machine is being great for the past 13-14 months. No complaints whatsoever. I couldn't find any complaint if I'm honest with you. And the reason for that is you get a lot for your money. And we all know that Apple optimized their products pretty well. And this is one of the reasons that's why I bought this machine last year, because we'll know that we'll get updates, and I believe that probably will work another maybe 3 years, who knows. But this machine is great, so if you can find a very good example in 2020, definitely this is gonna be a very good buy, because you get a lot for your money. You get a great display, great specs, great keyboard, great speakers. Overall, you get pretty much everything that you need. And also don't forget about the ports. The ports are very important. You don't need to buy accessories from Apple. We know that they're very expensive. So yeah, definitely this is a very good machine. In 2020 I edit all my videos, about 75-80 plus videos on this machine. 4K videos, not a problem. 1080p, super easy. But overall, yeah, you get a lot of for your money. So let me know what you think for this MacBook Pro from 2015. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed to make this video because it's a lot of fun. This machine is great, and yeah, let me know what you use in the comments down below, and don't forget to watch the video that I did last year, how I bought this machine for 650 pounds. This is Stefan. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe for more cool videos, and I'm going to see you in my next video.